Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to convert a Word document in Google Doc. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To convert a Microsoft Word document in Google Doc, go to Google Doc and click on the main menu icon on upper left corner. Here you'll find Google Drive. Click on Google Drive, or you can go Google Drive directly. Now click on new icon on upper left corner and then click on file upload. Now I'm going to upload my Word file. This is the Microsoft Word file and click on open. The file is uploading. Upload completed. AWS short question, the name of the file. Now click on my drive. Look, this is the file I have uploaded and it's a Microsoft Word file and Word file symbol is showing here. Now just right click on the Word file and go to open with and click on Google Docs. The file has been opened in Google Doc. And you can rename if you want. I'm just removing the extension. Now click on File tab on upper left corner and click on Save as Google Doc, and it's saved to Drive. Now go to Google Drive, reload this page, and look, the Word file has been converted into Google Doc. This is the easiest way to convert Microsoft Word file into Google Doc. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.